Once in a while, a lucky few businessmen get to work with a really exciting opportunity that has potentially tremendous social benefits. Bioasis is one of those rare opportunities. Back in the early 1990s, Dr. Wilfred Jeffery and his team of research at the University of British Columbia made a very significant discovery. That discovery led to a series of patents being filed by the university and later by Dr. Jeffries himself, surrounding a protein called P97. From the early 1990s to now, this intellectual property has been further developed through expanded research and independent clinical trials. Each time additional research is performed on P97, the findings of Dr. Jeffery and his team are validated. What Dr. Jeffries and his team discovered was that people who were suffering from the debilitating disease Alzheimer's had higher than normal levels of this iron-binding protein, P97, in their blood. Dr. Jeffries and his team ran a clinical trial at the University of British Columbia and confirmed their research findings, that a direct correlation could be drawn between the presence of P97 in a person's blood and this dreadful disease that affects over 24 million people worldwide, with associated costs of over $100 billion annually. The Department of Psychiatrics at the University of Seoul, Korea replicated Dr. Jeffrey's study and came to the same conclusion, that a blood test for the level of P97 may well be used as a biomarker, enabling physicians to provide a diagnosis for this disease. With this valuable knowledge, physicians can work with their patients to possibly retard the onset, providing a better quality of life and reducing huge costs to the medical system globally. The key is to be able to diagnose this disease as soon as possible and then to work with existing therapeutic treatments to delay the onset. Over the next year, Bioasis will engage an independent facility to run a further trial to certify the prior findings and then to introduce an assay to test for the levels of P97 in blood to enable that early diagnosis of this dreadful disease.